What is going on, everybody? It is Mike. Welcome back to Tech 24/7 TV. It is great to have you back here. It is iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro launch day, and we are going hands-on with the iPhone 12 in what is probably my favorite color blue to date. Now, this is going to be the entry-level 64 gig phone that costs $799. Let's get right into it. I am very excited to get my hands on it and to see how it looks like with these other cases that should complement it very well, even the red here on the iPhone 12 Pro. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. And what we're going to do here, just like the last video where we unboxed the iPhone 12 Pro, we are just basically going to follow the arrows. Now, in case you don't know what that means is that there are arrows right here on the plastic, and we're just going to go ahead and pull that. We'll do a little ASMR for those folks out there. Now, let's just get a look here of what that looks like. Now, that is very, very blue. First thing that we're looking at here is the back of the phone. We see the dual camera display. Wow, those blue sides look marvelous. Wow, that looks really, really nice. The aluminum band with this matte blue color. This is actually really, really nice. I like it. I like it. Now, let's just get a good picture of that. Look at the way that it's very, very shiny. Now, let's flip it around to the front. Here on this iPhone, we see obviously you got the little identification for the lightning charger. You have the mute button, the volume rocker, and then the power button. Very, very nice. Now, let's go ahead and let's just peel this up. A little ASMR for you guys. Now, while this is powering on, this is, I think, a significant upgrade just from a first impressions versus the opening the iPhone 11 from last year to the iPhone 12. I mean, the display is much nicer. Obviously, we know that because they went from LCD to OLED. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. So here we have this small welcome kit, which includes a SIM ejector tool. We have, what do they call this? Safety and handling documentation and a single Apple sticker. Here's a pro tip for you. What I would consider doing is I would consider taking this and putting it on your keychain or in your wallet. My wallet from Bellroy has a little spot for a SIM ejector tool because they know people like me like to go ahead and carry additional SIMs with them. Now, what we also have here is the Lightning to USB-C cable for your iPhone. And you see the box is going to be sans charging it brick in addition to it not having a wireless headphones. So those are not included as well. So those are taken out of the box. Now, while this is getting set up, let's go ahead and take a look here what it looks like with some of these cases. Now, this is the kumquat case. Oh, you got that nice little orange animation. That looks beautiful. Really like the way that looks, the orange and blue. Now, I have a product red band. So you can see those are really, those are two different colors, but they're not too far off. And let's try this pink citrus. Wow, that's also another nice color. You can see by my my desk mat here, I like colors like that. I like very bold and bright colors. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't think I caught the animation on that one. All right, so let's put that inside the case. Boom, that's beautiful. Now we got the dark blue. This is deep navy, as they actually call it. That might be too much or not enough contrast. Well, still doesn't look bad. Deep navy. And let's do it one more time for you so you can get that animation. Okay, I know. That is sharp. Now also, special for you guys, I have, this is the white silicone case. And they just call this white, so it's just called white. But either way, let's go ahead and open this up. All white. This is different. Yeah, that is different. So this graphic is different for sure. I know that. Yeah, so here, this shows putting the case straight in. It shows putting it in that way, which is, this is the kumquat case. So that is different. So now we have, I do like the white and blue. That's pretty sharp. Let's get rid of this here. We don't need this, and we don't need this, and we definitely don't need this. The white and blue iPhone 12. Now I think this is a little too saturated for my liking. This blue is a little too intense, but the sides look beautiful. Love the matte finish on the sides here. Wish the 12 Pro had that. So my plan here is to figure out whether or not the 12 is the phone for you to buy. And that's what I'm going to figure out in the full review. So make sure you are subscribed with notifications so you can be alerted when that comes. I also got a ton of other content. I have more videos coming for the iPhone 12 Pro, the iPad Air 4, which I have here. I have to unbox still, as well as some additional accessory and buyer's guides. So again, to make sure you are subscribed. Now, I am Mike. This is Tech 24/7 TV. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you're picking up a phone, what color are you getting, or what is your favorite color that's out this year? I'll talk to you in the next one.